Hey guys, so I just cleaned my place, right? I cleaned my place and I'm currently having breakfast. And I'm watching Lanzy's vlog. And I also need to
tomorrow. And then later on I have plans
some laundry. And then after that, my friend is gonna come back because she left yesterday. She's gonna come back today and pick me up. And we're gonna go to Santine to, I think, run some errands and also do other things. And then yeah, that's it for today. And then I want to take off my braids because I have to shoot a campaign right this month, so I need to take off my braids. Plus I've had them for too long, honestly speaking. Like I hate it when braids get old in front, so that's why I just really want to take them off quickly. And then I'm probably gonna do my hair on my birthday because next week Friday is my birthday, right? So probably this vlog will last up until that long, right? My friend gets, oh, I ordered things at Checkers. Let me show you guys what I got. But it's mainly just laundry. It's mainly just laundry items, but let me show you anything. I hope you guys can hear me. Those are literally the things that I got. I got washing powder, vanish, a new dishcloth, and stick. Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I think it's a few days after, but it's a few days after and it's a few days before my birthday, right? So one of my packages has arrived, one that I had ordered for myself just before my birthday. My birthday is actually on Friday and today's what? Today is Tuesday. Let's see which one is this one. Oh, guys. I'm so tired. By the way, guys, I'm so happy today. I've just been receiving packages upon packages. Delivery. Literally, guys. Everyone, welcome to my vlog. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, honey. But if you're a regular regular, welcome back. So today is Monday. Time is currently like around lunchtime, afternoon vibes, and I'm here at the Bombay safari event, but I'm probably sure you guys have seen stuff. So I'll be vlogging for the day. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I hope you do like it as much as I will. So where is the entrance again? The entrance is just so confusing, but sila nonetheless. I go shushu. Jeez, we're in cradle of humankind. But yeah, let me show you guys the vibes. I'm talking I'm not in the mood of cooking, plus it's going to be load shedding very soon, so I decided to order mukhodu, which is tripe, right, and dumpling and chakalaka. I'm impressed with how it came, like in the packaging. Like, I'm super impressed. But anyways guys, let me eat your and lamb. I honestly look like a mess, but anyways, I'm here at my hairstylist to do my hair because my hair is absolutely a mess. And today I am doing the very big decision and I am relaxing my hair. I was supposed to go and cut, but I can't. But anyways, this is my OOTD. This dress from Yellow Sub Trading. It's an open back. But yeah, let's go.
I would like to get to know the kind of girl that you could want. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday and I'm here at work. I'm here at work because I'm doing an event, right? So as you can see, I'm doing my makeup because I don't trust anyone else with my face. So I'm doing my own makeup, and then if they can just contour my nose for me, then that's fine. I'm good with it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be here from 3 until the next morning. But I'm gonna show you guys around. A friend of mine is here that I usually go to events with, but I'll show you guys around.
No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Gonna be
Are you excited for tonight?
I want to go home. I'm kidding. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. I'm ready.
You can't be wanting to go home.
But I'm your host for tonight. South Africa, get ready. The best host is hosting tonight.